Jesus. I decided that it's not going to be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Based on Google Translate, I'm supposed to knead this, as I suspected, with milk. So I'm going to use almond milk, and I'm going to add some nutmeg and cinnamon powder, and then put this in the fridge for 30 minutes before cutting and put it in the oven, and in the toaster oven. So I'm going to preheat the toaster oven and put this in the fridge. Yes, I added a bit more flour, and this is it. I hope it doesn't taste like flour. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, you know me. If I posted my black browning or whatever that was, then you know I won't front you, right? I'll tell you the truth. So I'm just doing this, and then I'm gonna cut and put them on the sheet. I actually left it in the fridge overnight, but it's still a bit soft. I washed my hands, yeah. Still a bit soft, not so pliable to cut, and I'm not sure why. Maybe because it was spoiled from beginning. Oh gosh, don't come at me like, Katie, you can't eat flour, you can't eat dumpling. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll just do it. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. I'm just gonna put it on the sheet. I've already put the cookie sheet on the tray. I'm just gonna put them on the sheet like that. Whatever shape come out. Should I put more flour? Yes. Put more flour so that it can be cut. That's how it's supposed to be done. I'm only one call away. I'll be there. I'm gonna do some small ones and some big ones. Save the day. Superman standing. It's not so smooth. It's supposed to be smoother than this. Can't bother. YouTube video is supposed to be perfect, isn't it? Not my videos. My channel, I can do whatever. These hearts look like, I don't know what to call them. I'm only one. There's some bigger ones. Call away. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman. These hearts, they don't look like heart anyhow. The cutters. Superman's got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Better save the day. All of them are hold on the one sheet, you know, because I can't be bothered to do no 2 batches or 3 batches. Oh, I wonder how these going. They're doing these things, they can't be short-handed, you know, but next time I'll try to do it a little. Too fat. It's too fat. Too fat. It's just too fat. Too fat. Superman's got nothing on me. I'm only one. Should I smoother, but I'm not making it for a hotel. It's too fat. Making it for me and you guys. Are you gonna love it? Are you gonna like it? Oh. Ready to go. What's going on? Mighty God. Oh my God, me never gave the thing properly and me left them in there and gone do something else and then too fat. Now go eat. Now try see me. It look like it tastes good. And strawberry cookies. I shall be eating them. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who beg now get? Who no beg no want?